Today we're going to present the cover. In Fijian tradition, we believe that the land has ancestral spirit, and the God that we serve, we present the cover to seek the blessing of the Vanua, the mana, on our being here. And that is what is going to be presented today to the Chief and the Minister. On behalf of the Minister and the Government of Fiji, we respect your presence. We must do this so that we connect spiritually. The second thing is the whale's tooth. It's called tambua. In Fiji, the highest treasure is the tambua. Nothing higher than that. Tambua is a significant treasure for us. Yesterday you presented the fish, the pig. In Fiji, there's nothing else to give to reciprocate. After you give the pig, we must present the pig. So this is to thank the Chief, thank the province of welcoming us yesterday in the ground up in Saralana. Even though we exchange gift on the government program, we still have debt. We still have debt to pay you. This is why we come today. We do it our traditional way to say thank you for yesterday and for welcoming us as your family. So that's a brief explanation.
Malampa e kilai na tolu na Vanua, Malukula, Webrem gen yo pama. Kay tanakar ni Bilibin, Bilitaki wa Vanua e kilai kama. Pagyangan ni talangay na matin ito, turangan ng minister. Na sabi ni siya nito. Hindi manasing tauho ko may biti. Kasi kamuna nga po may labi ng tumata na one day bilang bibiyok ka ni Wawanwa. Nabunyan ko na zabuy-bubu may biti. Na may tukun niya nga lang bibiyok ka ni. Brothers. Ibonovan Melanesian. Kamulangan na kainrenga. At natambut tawa sa talipakita. Kaya kamulangan po melalagay ng tumakas. Humbala po nito-tuko ni kamulangan. Kamulangan ay tambil babiyangan ni may vici. Kumbuna. Iwirelebe matanabiyangan na po ni Bol ng Tikamba. Yung gawin meron na yung basanga, mata na maramambali na robot yung nagkeci na turang na punibalo. Ina mati nito biya kanyang guangguan na tawata. Enda bo siya man na wasa-wasa dolay na Pasifika. Kenda kaya na kautamata. Enda kila niya tu Melanesian na kakamuna nga buong mabawag ni Singalito. Bumbala mo ni tukutuko ni kamuna nga. Lena kamuna nga talaga na turang na minista ni Bikuwa Bituki. Walendenday ngay mata na biya nga na tuya. Bawdambe, imalampa na kayo muro kayo tu.
On behalf of the Custom Chiefs of Malampa and Ambrem, we appreciate your gift, and we're very happy that we're making this link in a traditional way. We would like to give you this mat. Your Honorable Minister, as a token of appreciation.
Thank you.
Tapa maroko taki na iau ni Vanua. Iau ni Vimaroi Babilveni, Babitavini, Babiokani Bamatini tu, Vanua. Bingo Melanesian di Kokoli Buna Babina Bina. Na bali buna yalo bina na kia solitu na loloma. Bingo bina kaya iau na kaya tuku-tuku. Bingo bina buku ni matini tunga na buna kubuna. Irule mata na biangan na bunyi baru na tikamba. Bingo mana makin tujuh kan ngkuang kuang atau batan yang irule bukan bersama mata na merambal lorok terdekat na turun abun baru. Suli tu na gola, yang tu gola balap. Begitu na gola yang makin tu bici mana. Dina yawa.
So in 2008, at the Melanesian Leaders Summit in Port Vila, we did the ceremony where Malampa province adopted Fiji. And what that means is that community in Fiji, so Thomas and others, they know that we are their support here in Vila and in Vanuatu. And for many years now, we've celebrated Fiji Independence Anniversary. It's the same day, 10th of October, as Malampa Day. And we do the joint celebration. And we had a big celebration for the 50th anniversary of Fiji's independence together. And so especially us, we are the community in Port Vila of Malampa people. Like a lot of these people have come from the island, so we look after them, but we also, you are the same. You come from Fiji, we have to look after you, and anything you need, you can pass through Thomas. He has our contacts. We are there to help and support you based on that relationship we've established. So please, you know that you are at home here. You are part of the Malampa community, and we are here to do whatever we need to do to make you feel at home. Thank you.
Today we just come to reciprocate the gift that was given to us yesterday. It was given there in the ground. We cannot perform the way we do it in Fiji because it was organized by the government, so we decided to come here today, just to come and thank you. We thank you for the supports that you've been providing to the Vanuatu Fijian community here. We understand that as a family from the Melanesians, and you have adopted Fiji community here in Vanuatu, we really appreciate. I think it coincides with the Fiji Day, with your provincial celebrations. We are very thankful for that. I understand it's a godly given that we have adopted Fiji. As it started in 2008, I think it will continue to grow in strength in every year, in years to come. And we thank the chiefs, the minister, and also the leaders of the Vanuatu Fijian community here for making that work. And we understand for our future generation that will come, they will still remember, and they will be working together closely so that the Melanesian brothers and sisters. It's a bond between Malampa and Fiji. With those few words, once again, thank you very much for the support that you have been providing to the Fijian community here in Vanuatu. Pinakabaliw.
Yeah, my name is Tom Bruce. I'm also the current president for Fijian Community here in Port Vila in Vanuatu. Also the CEO for Vodafone Vanuatu. Yes, and I'm from Nadulaya Sawa. So in Vanuatu we have 6 provinces, and each of the province they have adopted one of the Melanesian countries. So what we're witnessing today is the relationship between Malampa province. One of the 6 provinces is Malampa, and Malampa in 2008 during the Melanesian leaders meeting, it was declared there, the ceremony was declared that Malampa will adopt Fiji. And that's when that relationship have come into place. And over the past 6 years I have been here in Vanuatu, we have strengthened that relationship. And during the 50th year celebration, it was a very big celebration where Malampa province and the Fiji community here celebrated together. The Fiji Day on the 10th of October is also the Malampa province celebration day. So it's very significant for us Fijians. So when you're coming into Vanuatu, there's not only a government-to-government relationship, but there is also a Fiji and Malampa province relationship. So that relationship has been there since 2008. And what that means is that if any issues or any problem that Fijians will have here in Vanuatu, their first point of contact is the Malampa family. We are like a family. They have adopted us. That means we are part of their family. And they have been willingly supporting us over the years from the time of that relationship. And the bond is getting stronger and stronger. And that's what we are witnessing here when the Fiji delegation have come. The 2 ministers, Minister Ifreme Vasu and Minister Climate Change here in Vanuatu is from Malakula as well, Mr. Ralph Regenwan. And they have explained that as well during their earlier speeches. I think the Fijian community, I have been very happy, very grateful and very proud that the Fiji community delegation have made it over to this very important festival or celebration, which is the Melanesian, I think it's the 7th Melanesian festival. And I know only one country is left to arrive, which is PNG. But otherwise, the Fijian community is overwhelmed. And you can see that, most of the evenings, families will come and we greeted you and we did our welcome ceremony on the first day that you arrived, which shows that we are very happy, that we are very proud that Minister Ifreme Vasu is also here as well, leading the team over, and with the delegation and showing our Melanesian way, our cultural and arts and all that will be displayed in this festival. So we are very happy. Thank you.